Yes. Can you tell me the sound of this letter?
G.
G. Okay. Let's go upside down. Upside down.
Like this.
Yes. Now put the glue on. Very good. Punches. Up here also. Here's some punches on the corners. Yes. Now trace it. Start from this dot. First make a round. Follow these arrows. It's going from this.
Now it's done.
What is the sound of this letter?
G. But can they do it like this?
Yes. G is for?
Girl.
And G is for?
Wizard.
And what is it?
Wizard.
Look at it. It's a gift.
Gift.
G is for?
Gift.
And G is for?
Was.
And G is for?
Garlic.
Very
Look
good.
at
And,
eat this.
yes, and G is for?
Wait, can they eat this?
Yes, you can eat that.
Now the other page.
G is for?
Goat.
And G is for?
Wait.
And G is for?
Loss.
And G is for?
Gift.
And G is for?
Garlic.
And horse is for? And hat is for? And flag is for? Very good.